Horses out, the Antoine Hugo. Pass to begin. Down on the inside is Charming Liar. Restless Heart comes next. Then followed by Gandang Pinay. Antoine Hugo by about 2 lengths. Charming Liar is right behind in second. 5 lengths away in third. Restless Heart. And Gandang Pinay is the early trailer. Antoine Hugo by a length. Charming Liar is on the outside, pressing up. 7 lengths away in third is entry number 1, Restless Heart and Gandang Pinay. And it's still Antoine Hugo by Oralenka. Charming Liar is pushing very hard on the outside second. And in third, Restless Heart, then followed by Gandang Pinay. And it's still Antoine Hugo by Oralenka. Charming Liar remains in second. Gandang Pinay in third. Running by the report is Restless Heart. But it's still Antoine Hugo by about 2 lengths. Charming Liar remains in second. Gandang Pinay, Restless Heart. As they come down at the last 150. And it's still Antoine Hugo. And on the outside is Charming Liar, Restless Heart, Gandang Pinay. Antoine Hugo, Charming Liar, Restless Heart. Moving up, Gandang Pinay on the outside. Restless Heart moving up, Gandang Pinay. Restless Heart, Gandang Pinay is on the outside. Restless Heart, Gandang Pinay entering the finish line. It's going to be close finish. Restless Heart, Gandang Pinay, then comes Charming Liar and Antoine Hugo.
Well, nakita